So this is the luggage I'm gonna be taking with me as my cabin luggage, and this, guys, is what I really want to show you. This, I've got this from Amazon, and they are the parking cubes. Guys, look how nicely neat and organized they are, right? So they're compression bags that can fit literally most of your things. In fact, I think all of your things, and then they can go in. I'm not going to be using all of this, so basically you can actually see the ones that's been used and the one that's not. So in this, about 11 clothes, both dresses, shorts, tops, and t-shirts went in here. And I'll be using this one for my son. I'm probably gonna put his nappies, wipe, or this one right here is my makeup bag. Like, there's a makeup bag inside, so I'm going to just use that as a makeup pouch instead of the laundry pouch that you can see. Then this little bit here, that one I'm going to be using for my electronics. So my camera charger, my phone charger, my power bank, my headphones, they're gonna go in there. And then moving on to this bit here, you see, it's like they give you this shoe pouch as well. This one is a smaller size, and then the one at the bottom is quite bigger. Is literally gonna go here in my carry-on bag. So for the snacks that I'm going to be taking with my son, so he's got all of these cheese balls to snack on, because basically, yeah, it's a 2-hour flight, so we don't really need that much. And also because I researched that snacking and entertainment basically keeps them busy whilst on the plane. That's if they're not sleeping, but hopefully it is enough. So he's got all of these ones to snack on, and then some of this cheese cloves and orange juice that we might have before the flight. This one here is for me, snack on that one. So here he's got yogurt and wafers, and then he's got, I think they're like rice crisps dipped in chocolate at the bottom, but yeah, whatever that is. And then we've got our water bottle that we're taking with us, and then get some water when we get on the flight. So basically this is it. To put all of this in the transparent zip bag, and then put them in this bag here, in that one. Yes, I can see what I have. And yeah, so I'm gonna see how everything goes. So I forgot to show you these ones earlier. They're like little fruity pouches that are resealable, so you can basically take out of it, or if you can't finish it, which I know my son will. But yeah, so that one is apple, this one is apple and blackcurrant, that one is apple, banana and strawberry. The middle one is a yogurt, while there's two Cowgate ones are basically fruit purees. So for his activity, it's gonna be this little coloring book, and it also comes with little 4 crayons. He's gonna use it to keep himself busy, because he likes solo play as well. So he'll probably just be distracted with this one, or watch something on my phone. So I have some Peppa Pig episodes and some little musical children rhymes on my phone as well. So this is what it looks like inside.